Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change mobile hotspot name in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to connections. And go to mobile hotspot and charging. And here, turn on mobile hotspot and click over mobile hotspot. And here, click on network name. Here you can change a network name. Okay, that is mobile hotspot name. Okay, by default it is set to Galaxy A15 5G in the name of a device. If you would like to set your own name, yes, just click here and delete the available name, and you can assign your own name. Here I just type Gerolina Tylin, and click on save. Now the network name, that is hotspot name, is Gerolina Tylin. You can check this in other device. Go to other device and go to Wi-Fi there. See here, Gerolina Tylin is scanned. Okay, so this Gerolina Tylin will be visible to all nearby devices. In this way, you can easily change your mobile hotspot name to your desired name in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.